Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your speaker Bose SoundLink Color II. Now, you can play and pause the song by pressing one time at the multifunctional button. So I'm just press one time and I play a song. If I press again, I will pause the song. You can increase the volume by pressing plus button. Okay, we should play some song to doing it. So just press, and as you can see, I increase it and again, and I increase it again. And you can lower the volume by pressing minus button. So just press or press again, and you will pause the song. If you wanna play next track, just play two times on the multifunctional button. 1, 2, and I just swap to another track. And to play previous track, just press it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!